good, y'all? MoparMayne back with another video, man. What I want to do for this video is, this is my giveaway video. I wanted to do a giveaway when I get to 100 subscribers. So we're at 62 subscribers right now, and when I get to 100, I'm gonna do a giveaway, y'all. So if y'all watching this video, man, make sure y'all subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and stay tuned, because as soon as I get to 100 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway. Just for the appreciation of everybody that's been watching my videos, man. I appreciate every single last one of y'all, man. Like I don't know if y'all watch any of my other videos, but I always say I never thought I was gonna get past, you know, 1 or 2 subscribers. What is that? Wow, look at this. This is my grandma. I just noticed that. This is my grandma and her little Kia. Yo. I don't even think she knows me either. Watch, I'm gonna pull up on her. Yo, she ain't even know it was me. You ain't even know it was me, huh? That's crazy. I was just following her for like 2 minutes, and she didn't even know it was me. What's she doing out here? I know she ain't had to go get her car fixed. But anyway, I'm sorry about that, y'all. I usually don't see my grandma out on the road too much, so when I seen her, it was kind of surprising. So we're at, like I said, we're at 62, and we only got 38 more to go. So I think we can get 38 more people real soon, as long as I keep dishing out these videos. Hopefully making good content, alright content for right now, because I'm still new to this. The camera, the whole camera thing, the whole YouTube thing, I'm still getting used to the camera, bro. For those watching, going through this experience with me, this journey, this new stage, I appreciate all of y'all. That's why I want to do this giveaway. So that's it, y'all. All y'all gotta do is subscribe, follow me on Instagram. I do got a gaming channel too that I really don't focus too much on, but the description is below for my YouTube channel. So that's it, y'all. I appreciate every single last one of y'all. Thank you again. I don't know how many times I can tell y'all thank you again, and I will see y'all in the next video, y'all. Peace. Boom.